Hi, I'm Jason with Go Outfitters, here to tell you about our new product, Go Line. Our new reflective, ultralight, high-strength cordage that you can count on when you're camping or hiking. Use it for guy lines, tarp ridge lines, and as a general-purpose utility cord. It holds knots great, but no knots are required when using tactical toggles as knot replacement devices. This reflective cordage is made of ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene. That's a mouthful, so for the rest of this video, I'm just going to call it HMPE. It's a material that's commonly used to make body armor, bowstrings, climbing equipment, and for many more critical applications. Go Line is an 8-strand hollow braid cordage with 6 strands of HMPE and 2 reflective tracers that light up in the night when hit with a headlamp or flashlight. Reflective rope can help prevent you from tripping over guy lines at your campsite. Here are the top features that make Go Line special. Feature number 1, it's ultralight and high strength. A 100-foot length weighs only 1.4 ounces, and it has a breaking strength of over 100 pounds. Feature number 2, no knots required. It works with common knot replacement devices, including inexpensive tactical toggles, so you won't have to remember any knots if you don't want to. In the description below, there are videos that show how to use tactical toggles with Go Line. Feature number 3, it holds knots. Most ropes made from this material are not good at holding knots because HMPE is slick. We've overcome this problem by designing this cordage with 6 strands of HMPE and 2 reflective tracers that are flat. This creates a texture on the rope that helps it hold knots. Sliding grip knots like the Klemheist knot work great with this cordage. Feature number 4, it's low stretch, so you won't need to constantly adjust it. It stays where you put it, unlike nylon cordage that stretches under tension. Feature number 5, it doesn't absorb water and it dries fast, so you won't have to pack and carry soggy rope when you're camping or hiking. Feature number 6, it's super reflective and highly visible, so you can avoid tripping over guy lines at the campsite. Feature number 7, it's compact. With a diameter of only 1.5 millimeters, you can remove some from the spool and keep it with your hiking gear or everyday carry kit. It'll only take up a tiny amount of space. We'll be releasing video tutorials soon, teaching some of our favorite knots to use with this rope, and how to use tactical toggles as knot replacement devices. So please check out the details below and order some Go Line and tactical toggles today. We learned this application of tactical toggles from Jeff Myers at Myers Tech Hammock Lab. I'll put some links in the description to his YouTube channel and to his Facebook page. He sells some cool hammock related gear and is always coming up with great ideas.